Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your questions in the Trandyol app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the account menu, and under the overview section we have my questions. This is the place where we can see the questions that we have asked about certain items. So if you see a nice jacket and we are interested about the jacket, we can ask what kind of material is it made of, what is the quality of it, and people can answer it, and then we can see the questions that we have put up and the answers that we got to them here in this tab. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.